So over here you can see that I got a few bookmarks over here on my bookmark bar. So let's say I want to export out this bookmark so I can import it out in another computer or send this to someone else. So in order to do that, on the top right hand corner you can see the three dot icon, which you can click, and then you can go to bookmarks, and then you can go to bookmark manager. Once you do that, you can see another three dot icon which you can click, and you have an option export bookmarks. Once you click on export bookmarks, what you have as an option is to export this as an HTML file. So I'm going to go around into desktop, and you can see that it only has an option to export as an HTML file. So I'm going to save this out, and what happens is that bookmark is saved out as an HTML file, and you can see that this can be opened up by Chrome. And if I were to open this out, you can see that it says bookmarks right here. So all of the bookmarks that I have, like YouTube, Wikipedia, Google, and my inbox for my Gmail is here. You can click on it to access the links as well. So what you can do is you can use this file and then import it out in other browser of your choice, or you can import it out in another PC, send it to someone so that they can import out the bookmarks and use it out. So that is how you can export out bookmarks using Google Chrome. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.